This is my JCPenney 9711. I got this for free a few years ago, and I used it for a while in my bedroom, and eventually it got put away, and I just brought it down from the attic today, so I'm going to test it out again and start using it at night. This is a 3-speed model. As you can see, it's got a pretty deep cabinet. It's not the standard Lakewood cabinet depth. This has a 3.1 amp General Electric motor. I have several box fans with this type of GE motor, and this one is the most powerful out of all of them. The only GE motors I have that are more powerful than this one are in my first generation Lakewood HV18. That's a 4 amp. And then the 5 amp version in my patent U2 1872. But as far as the box fans versions go, this one's the most powerful. And of course, I'm just talking about the export style motors like this, not the single bearing motors that are used in the GE box fans that I have several of as well. I got it hooked up to the kilowatt meter. We're going to try it out. I did oil this on a regular basis when I was using it, and it doesn't appear to be too dusty in there, so probably won't need to clean it yet, but let's go ahead and start it up on high. This is a really powerful fan. Got our medium. Sorry about that. And low. It's got a pretty calm low speed. Lubrication still seems to be pretty good. It's very good. Let's see what the amp draw is coming up to high speed. It's a powerful motor, that's for sure. It gets up to speed real quick. I went upstairs to go eat dinner and I left this fan running, and it seems to be running just fine. It's on low, 1.5 amps. Let's go up to medium again. Here's the big 5 amp GE motor on my patent. And then I got a 4 amp version of it on this Lakewood HV18 right here. The vents on the back are a little different, but the ones in the front are the same as the other ones. Let's do a startup sound. We'll start on high. Medium.